Now approaching Richmond, Virginia.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Will I not go over that with
Correct.
me?
Yeah, you just skip it.
Open,
Yeah.
and do the black at the end?
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So you're gonna push a little bit harder. You can see how it kind of bounces off. You need a threader?
A pliers.
Oh, pliers, yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah.
But how close do I get to
So mostly I just tell people top to second line and then peek and see. If you can see the fabric on the other side, you need to go closer. If it doesn't, then it's good. And these areas are where you weren't pushing hard enough.
Okay.
Yeah, but usually I just use like maybe the foot here as a guide to kind of go exactly on top of it.
Kind of like a sewing machine?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want to organize our yarn for us?
Yeah.
My brain hurts, and I think I did it wrong.
I don't think so. I can't tell that you did it wrong.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me read
Clean the chaos. Yeah, I made an announcement that it was 30 minutes.